Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Look what just arrived in the mail. Gabriel's not too excited because it's nothing she can actually eat. I got these off of Amazon with my EBT card. I'm not going to grow all three of them at once, but they had a really good sale on them, so I wanted to get them while they were on a really good sale. And these can sit around for a little while I'm growing one of the other ones, or one of them. They're all the same, but it's a super easy kit to do. Excuse me, I'll just put them down here, that way you can do it. Sorry, allergies are acting up and causing my throat to get dry. But these are the mushroom grow kits that I have. And it's just, you just add water and harvest right out of this box in 10 days. So, and I think it's got 3 cycles that it can go through. So, like, I can get 3 different times before I can't get any more. But they literally just came in the mail. So, yeah, they're 100% guaranteed to grow. And this is the little window right here, as you can see the indentation. That's the little window that you open up to do. I'll probably do a video on it. I know there's probably been videos out there being done of them, but I'll probably do a video on it. But right now, I just picked up 3 of them because they were on really good sale, and I want to add to my dehydrated mushroom stash. So yeah, so I'm gonna be growing one of these fairly soon. Gonna keep the other ones until this one stops producing, and then I'll start the next box. We'll see exactly how easy these are to grow. Well, I'll see how easy these are to grow. And yeah, there's Care Bear. She's busy waiting for her lunch. Yeah, you want your lunch? Yeah, she does. She's mad that I'm not getting it right now. So yeah, she's done with this right now. She knows she can't have mushrooms, and yeah. So anyways, have a great day. Stay safe, everybody, and we'll see you again. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He always keep each and every one of you safe. Bye for now.